Hey guys, in this video I'm going to show you how to add GST number in Amazon. First thing I want you to do is actually come to the top right, click on your profile icon right here or your account name, and then you get this drop down. From here I want you to click on business settings. Now you'll be redirected to this page. What I need you to do is scroll all the way down here and you'll see this section, manage your GST information. So you can actually add, edit, or delete your GST registration number. Just click here on Manage GST. And if you have not added one, you'll see the option to add a GST number right here. And if you already have one, you can go ahead and manage it. You can delete it. You can change it basically. So that is how you go about it. Just click here, add GST number, and you can just follow the on-screen instructions. That's all you have to do. And if you found this video helpful, make sure you smash that like button and subscribe to App Mentor.